Hello guys and welcome to another video. This time we are unboxing and testing a device that was sent to me by the company called Seicane, and this is their Apple CarPlay Android Auto dash cam. If you will order this device, you will get the dash cam itself, which comes with a nice stand that has a dual-sided tape, but also you can fix this stand with some screws on your dash. The front camera's angle is adjustable, a very nice feature for this. You also get a long aux cable. Of course, the rear view camera, which also has the function of recording the traffic while you are driving, but also when the car is parked. You will see that in a moment. The camera comes with an extra cable so you can fit it to your reverse lights, some screws, everything you need to set up this camera as well. And the last accessory, the power cable. It's for the 12-volt socket. This power cable also comes with another USB port, so you can charge another device on that USB port, and a slot for the GPS. So this is the smart screen DVR. As I said, it has Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, records everything while driving, while parking. It also has a G sensor, so it's a complete product for all the vehicles that only have a radio system. Enough with the unboxing, let's go on and test it out. Now that you have seen what's in the box, let's go on and set up this device and test out its main functions. Let me show you how easy it is to set up this device using all the cables that are in the box. You will have to do some cable management in order to have a full working device and no problem with the cables. The device is starting. We also have an aux cable. Oh, that's very nice. So this device is recording in a 4K format. We have Android Auto, Apple AirPlay, Android Mirror, Bluetooth music. Right now it's connecting. Yes, so we are connected. On the side we can use a micro SD card. Let's activate the CarPlay. So I have to activate the CarPlay on the... Yes, so the CarPlay is working. Let's turn on the location services. Yes, I've turned on the location services and we have a fully functioning Apple CarPlay experience with this device. Google Maps, and we also have all the functions: recorder, replay, mobile internet, and so on. Mobile internet is the CarPlay. Let's try and connect the rear camera. This is the rear view camera, as you can see. Everything works very nice. When you set up the device and go with the camera all the way back, you can use this red wire to hook it up to your reverse light, and when you go into reverse, this camera will automatically open. Or you can use both cameras at once, and I think they are recording at the same time. We will test this out in a moment when I will insert a micro SD card. Now let's see if we can play some music with this device. Yes, so we have some music. It has a built-in speaker right here, but I think we can work our way around and use it as a FM modulator. Let's see. Sound output from the speaker. Yes, we can use it as an FM modulator. Let me use the 87.5 frequency, and with this with the radio from the car, we can find, yes, as you can see, we have the so I am playing the music from my phone. The music goes into this. This is a FM modulator that is transmitting the music to the car's FM radio, which means that you can use this device on any other car that has a radio system. You don't need Bluetooth, you only need a radio system, which is really nice. Besides FM, we can use the AUX or the Bluetooth, and everything will work okay. So the speaker, FM, AUX and Bluetooth, very nice. I really like this feature because it gives older cars the possibility to have Android Auto, Apple Carplay, and all the features that you can use with this device. As you can see, we can use the CarPlay on the left and have the camera on the right. We can use the CarPlay, let me show you. The CarPlay can be used on the right and have the camera on the left, or we can use it as a full screen depending on our needs. What's most important about this device is that it only costs $100. Let's go and install a micro SD and see how all the recording is working. I managed to insert a micro SD card, and as you can see, after I formatted the card, we now have recordings of the front camera as well as the rear camera, I think, but we will know for sure after I show you the recording files on the micro SD card. As I expected, everything is recorded on the SD card. All the videos from the front camera, you will find it in the video folder in the front subfolder. The rear also records everything, which is very nice. There are some other folders as well. The parking, the event. There is an app for the Windows. So we have park, photo, event, and video, and the managing system is very nice. If you need a certain recording, you will definitely find it very fast. Besides that, all the recordings are made in the 4K resolution. That being said, this is a very nice device. For only $100 you get front camera, rear camera. You also get wireless Android Auto, wireless Apple CarPlay, and the most important feature, FM transmitting, which makes us compatible with all the vehicles that have a radio system, an old radio system, and don't need a Bluetooth connection or even the AUX connection. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your time, and if you want to buy the product, use the link in the video description.